Hey guys, Mr. Thibodeau here. So I wanted to make sure that you got some help on this part here, okay? So this is on your engineering science part 2, okay, about halfway down or a little bit more. Here we're talking about trying to satisfy the criteria, and it wants you to be able to put the volume to surface area as a ratio. Now, I know for some of you, that's completely new. You've never done something like this before. So I wanted to really show you exactly what it is they're doing here, because I don't know if they give you enough detail on it. So all we're really doing is we're taking this number and we're dividing it by this number, okay? And so you can see if we take 3,366, and we can use a calculator for this. The goal here is not for you to do the math on your own, but for you to 2,336, I think. Sorry, here we go. Yeah, 3,366, and then 1621 divided by 1621. So yeah, our goal here is not for you to necessarily do it all on your own, but the goal here is for you to be able to know what to do, okay? So we get 2.07. So when we go back here, they've rounded up 2.07. The next number is a 6, so that's above a 5. So that gets rounded up. So now they do 2.08. I don't really care if you round up or whether or not you leave it here. Rounding up is generally preferable, but I won't. I guess the check thing will have you round up. And it'll always be to 1, okay? So you would do 2.08 to 1. So let's do this one together. 3437, okay? 3437 divided by 1642. 1642. That gives me 2.093. 3 is less than 5, so we're going to round down, and it will just leave it at 2.09. So we'll just ignore all of that will be ignored. 2.09. So here we'll do 2.09 and then 2.1. Okay, and then what this does, what we're really saying is that this ratio is essentially, it is a division problem. It is the same division problem as what we just did. It's just a smaller version. All division problems are essentially fractions. So 3,437 divided by 1,642 is the exact same thing as saying 3,437 over 1,642. The ratio can be written this way, but it can also be written as 2.09 over 1, okay? And all we're really doing is that saying for every 2 9, essentially, of, or 2 9 hundredths of this volume, you get 1 instance of your surface area, okay? And that's what you're really doing. If it doesn't make too much sense, you'll eventually get to it in our math stuff, so don't worry too much about that. But the main thing to know is all ratios are really just fractions, and all fractions are really just division problems. So we just do 3,424 divided by 1,626. And again, feel free to use a calculator for it. Google provides a good one. All right, that is what I wanted to talk to you about that for. Make sure you go ahead and do your best as you go down. I don't think there's any other bits that you're going to need help with. If there is, please let me know. Okay, have a good one.